Welcome to Baptist Memorial Medical Center. How may I assist you today? My name is Judy Walker and I would like to check in for my appointment with Dr. Mason. Mrs. Walker. First, I will have you fill out your health information for our electronic health records. Once I fill out my health information, what will happen to it? It is important to me that my record is secured. Yes. I do understand wanting to ensure your health information is secured. At Baptist Memorial Medical Center, it is our first priority to ensure our patient electronic medical records are secured within our system. Through the health insurance portability and accountability ensures that patient data is secured at all times. What is an electronic health record? An electronic health record is an electronic copy of your medical history including immunizations, medications, and allergies that can accessed by yourself and your healthcare team. I am very skeptical of electronic health records. I always hear on the news how people get identities stolen by hackers. I would prefer paper health records over electronic health records. I completely understand that change can be scary, especially with something as important as your health records. Let me show you some of the advantages that opting into an electronic health record can have. Within electronic health records, you can opt in to My Chart, which gives you immediate access to your health records from your home. Can I access my electronic health records while on vacation? You can access your health records anywhere, including an all-inclusive vacation on a tropical island. Another great benefit of electronic health records is that you can message your provider at any time about non-emergency health-related issues. I can message Dr. Mason at any time about my non-emergency issues. Yes, and you should receive a response within 24 hours. I am going to message Dr. Mason to see if he thinks this rash is shaped like Florida.
Yes, Mrs. Walker, your rash is shaped like Florida State. Please follow up with my medical assistant Damien to get an appointment with me for a topical steroid prescription.
While this all seems great, how does electronic medical records cater to all patients? Electronic health records creates a customized experience for each patient. Every patient has a different health outcomes. The electronic health record is not one size fits all, but instead it is customized to fit every patient's needs. Let's look at some examples of how electronic health records benefit some patients. This is Officer Friedman. She prefers the electronic health care record system.
Before my doctor's appointment, I can fill out my information online, which populates into the electronic health care record system. I get to spend more time with what is important and not have to fill out pesky paperwork.
This is Senator Tillman. He prefers electronic health records because he is able to easily navigate his own health records. Electronic health records help save money not only for the health care system, but also for the patients.
It is now easier for me as a patient to receive my lab results immediately as they become available through the electronic health records. As a politician, I prefer electronic health records because it saves not only the patient's money, but also the healthcare system. It is less expensive to save patient data electronically than it is to save the hard copies.
This is Dr. Lee, a pharmacist here at Baptist Memorial Medical Center. She prefers electronic health records because it minimizes errors. As a pharmacist, it is my duty to ensure I am giving the correct medications to patients. With the electronic medical record, I no longer have to call the physician to verify prescriptions for me, which cuts down on the time a patient has to wait for their medication. Can you share what happens when electronic medical records are not used in a pharmacy setting? Yes, major errors that put the patient, the healthcare system, and myself at risk. Wow, thank you for sharing those examples on why the electronic health records is beneficial to me as a patient. It is a very simple process for not only the patient, but also the clinicians.
Mrs. Walker, we are ready to see you now.
Mrs. Walker, your test results and x-rays shows everything is healing properly. With our electronic health record, you can view your results right on your smartphone. We can compare your past lab test results and current lab tests with these due to the electronic medical record systems.
Thank you so much, Dr. Mason. I will opt into the electronic health records. Okay, Mrs. Walker, you are all checked out. I am printing your after-visit summary for you. Thank you, Lucy, and thank you for clearing up my hesitation about electronic medical records. Anytime.